This section heading is called Testing Configuration. So now the way that we're going to do that within this section is we're going to do two things. First, we're going to verify that we can successfully format HDFS, and then we're going to verify that all of the daemons fire on the appropriate nodes within the cluster. So first, let's format HDFS. So HDFS, name node, and then dash format. Alright, so now here we can see that that process has successfully completed. So now what we're going to do here is we're going to start all of the DFS daemons. So we'll start them first, and then we'll start yarn. Okay, so now we'll start the yarn daemons. And now what we're going to do is we're actually going to verify which daemons to look for on which nodes. So we're going to come over to our topology. So on the master node, we're going to expect to find these three daemons. And then on both of these slave nodes, we're going to expect to see these two. Once again, we're expecting to find these daemons on these nodes because of our current configuration settings. So now we're on the master node, so we're just going to execute the JPS command, and we can see those three daemons. And now when verifying those daemons on those remote nodes, we're going to use SSH with the -t option. So first we're going to verify them on slave 1. So now what we're going to specify over here as a command. So on those remote nodes, the Java home isn't defined as a system variable, which means that we can't just simply execute the JPS command. Where Java home is actually defined on those remote nodes is inside of the .bashrc file, which means essentially that they're only accessible to that user within the terminal. So what we're going to need to do here is we're going to need to provide the path to that script. So let me explain what we're doing right here. So java_home. So this environment variable is defined within this user's .bashrc file. So it's going to provide the same path to the Java home. Remember, we're essentially having the same Java installation in the same path on the remote node. So I didn't want you to get confused and think that this is on, being defined over there. Anyway, so we got bin and then JPS, and then what we're going to find is that both of those daemons are running on that node, and now we'll verify it on slave 2. So now on slave 2, again, verifying both of those daemons are running. So we're good.